What's up, y'all? It's your girl Cookie, and I am back with another video. Honestly, I don't even know if I'm back with another video, because y'all, this about to be all over the place. Let me go ahead and just Alright, so like I said, this video probably gonna be all over the place. You probably heard me say, and I'm back with another video. That's because I'm about to take my very first solo trip. As you can see, ain't nobody here with me. My little pajamas over there, just two of them just sitting over there just for no reason. Yeah, so like it's just gonna be me. I'm not even meeting up with Robert, but yeah, I just had to get a quick getaway out of Japan. And where am I going? I am going to Guam. Yeah. So here in Japan, it's just been real, like, the weather's been crazy. It's not getting warm. Like, it'll be hot one day, cold the next. I'm like, look, I just need to go to the beach, get some sun. So I decided to go to Guam, and all the stuff that I wanted to do, I don't know if I'll be able to do it. It's been hard to try to book anything. I don't know. Uh-oh, I just did something. I don't know if it's just like, I don't know, island culture there, but it's been really hard to do stuff online. So I only have like one adventure booked, and that's like a dune buggy. But I really want to go scuba diving. Yeah, I have nothing else planned for this trip. This is a first for me. Not having anything planned. I don't know how I feel about it. I honestly no, I know how I feel about it. I don't like it because I want everything in its place when I go on vacation. Like I want to know what I'm getting up, what I'm gonna do. Like I'm kind of feeling apprehensive if I'm being honest. And this is gonna be my first time like back to the US since I left in 2017. And I know technically it's not in the States, but it's still like the United States. Like, you know how Guam is. But I'm kind of nervous about that. Also, it'll be the first time since again that I left that I'm driving on the opposite side of the road again. So that should be fun. Like I said, I don't know where this video gonna go. Y'all might just get a whole video of me just chilling on the beach and like snorkeling or like some good food. I don't know. Y'all, yeah, just stay tuned. Y'all, I have had a day getting here. Like, I'll get to that later, but first, I'm gonna do this quick little room tour because, like, I'm gonna get some food, get my luggage, and crash. But I'll have a story time in a minute. But here we go. So as soon as you walk in, you have this little entryway, and like the curtains were closed, but as soon as I put my little key card in, they opened up by themselves. That was a cool little touch. And here we have the restroom. Sorry it's not brand new. Like I had to use it. Just got off the plane. Here's me. Sink area. Shower. It all seems pretty nice, you know. Island standard. I'll just leave it at that. And then you come in. Here's the bedroom. Pretty big bed for just me. And over here you have the bar area, the refrigerator. And Robert was so nice. He got me a late birthday gift. It's a cake in there, some wine, some chocolate covered strawberries. I don't know who gonna eat all this. Like, it just made me sad because I'm by myself. But here we have a little sitting area, and that's cute or whatever. But this is what I booked the room for. This view. Right, it is approximately 5 o'clock Guam time. And look at this. Like, y'all, dog. Sorry, y'all, to skip straight to dinner, but I was pretty exhausted. So I just got some Jamaican food and came back to the room. And as you can see, it's pretty light skinned. What's up, y'all? So it's the morning of my, I guess, first official full day in Guam. And I'm sorry I didn't come back last night, but y'all, I had a day. Like, I'm sure people who know me know what happened yesterday. Basically, I was harassed by security while I was leaving Japan. And it's something I'm used to, but it's not something that, like, I guess hurts any less every time. And normally I try to keep it positive on this channel, but like, last junk is exhausting, bro. And like, I know a lot of people might say, oh, it's because you're a foreigner, you look different or whatever. And like, I get that, but like, keep that same energy with all the foreigners, you know what I'm saying? Because you know, don't get those, that same treatment, but you know, another topic for a different type of channel. Anyway, so now I'm just waiting for my day to start. I have an excursion at like 2. I'm going to, I guess, Dune buggy. But Rob said make sure I'm in my room at 9:30. I don't know why. He said somebody dropped something off. So we'll see what that is. And then I guess I'll try to take y'all with me when I go Dune buggy. Bye. So I just got a phone call to come down to the front desk and let me show you what I got. So Bart got me some flowers and some balloons, and they are so beautiful. Thank you so much, Robert. I know I'm a handful, but thank you. What's up, y'all? So I'm in my buggy. I'm gonna be the last one to go, and this is what I'm riding with, and let's have some fun. What's up, y'all? I just want to drop in real quick and end this video because I wasn't able to do it on the day of, and I'll get to why in a second. But I just wanted to say that I had a great time at the Dune buggy adventure. I think it was put on by Guam Adventures, and then you can find them online. I had an excellent experience. Everything was fun. The guys were super nice. But I didn't come back to end the video after that because like shenanigans were just afoot, right? So I get back home. Well, I get back to the hotel like probably 4:30, a little bit after. And of course, because I was doing the Dune buggy, I was like covered in mud, dust, like whatever, sweat, and all that stuff. So I get back to my hotel room. I see that it hasn't been like serviced by housekeeping. Okay, cool, whatever. Stuff happens. I see them in the hallway. I go in the hallway. I'm like, hey, excuse me, I think you all missed my room. Do you mind cleaning it and like giving you towels and water and all that? Did not receive the response that I felt like I should have received, but at the end of it, she was like, okay, we'll come like right after we finish this room. Cool, whatever. Fast forward an hour later, I'm on the balcony because, of course, still covered in mud. Don't want to sit on these people's furniture and stuff. So I'm on the balcony talking to Rob, and he's like, hey, call the front desk. And I'm like, I want to give him a little bit more time. I'm going to give him 5 minutes. I'm going to call the front desk. So I call the front desk. No answer. I'm calling the front desk for like 10 minutes. I'm like, okay, so I guess I'm walking through the lobby again, covered in mud. Get down there. I have to wait 30 minutes just to talk to somebody at the front desk, which is crazy, right? And because I like to observe my environment, I notice the interaction they're having with other customers. Read between the lines, okay? So I get to the front desk and I'm like, hey, excuse me, you know, it's after 5 o'clock and, you know, my room hasn't been, you know, serviced by housekeeping. Oh, and you know what I forgot to tell you? So after I talked to housekeeping the first time, right, I go back in the room and I'm sitting on the balcony with my balcony door open so I can hear. And by the time I get ready to go down to the front desk, I look on my door and I see that they flipped while I've been in the room now, they have flipped my little decal to say, please do not disturb. And I'm like, bruh. So anyway, back to the front desk. I'm talking to the guy and he's just very flippant with me. He was just like, okay. And mind you, I was peeping how he was interacting with the other guests. Totally fine, totally accommodating. And when it gets to me, it's like, ugh. Again, read between the lines. So I get the excuse that a lot of people have checked in today. And I'm like, okay, but, you know, it's after 6 o'clock. You know, this is not acceptable. By this time, I'm pissed. I'm like, I feel filthy. I'm sitting here covered in mud talking to the front desk, right? So long story short, I get back to the room. My room isn't cleaned by housekeeping. Nothing replaced by housekeeping until like almost 7 o'clock. And for the prices that these rooms go for, completely unacceptable, right? And there was a lot of other things that pissed me off about staying at this hotel, but that is like the main one, because my experience throughout my entire stay was they would not come service my room until like 4 or 5 o'clock every day, like in the evening after I had been out all day. They would half clean it, no replacement of like towels or anything, like no water, anything. And like they did have reusable water bottles, but y'all know how I am. Like, I'm not using public, no. So, and sorry y'all, a truck just pulled up. I'm in front of my job right now, so I'm distracted. But yeah, so like their water fountain, disgusting. Their ice fountain, disgusting. Like there was sand dumped in it like the second night I was there from, I guess, like another guest or whatever, and it remained there the entire time. So that goes to show you that they are not cleaning anything. Like there was a lot to be desired, or that was a lot left to be desired about this hotel. And I keep it real on this channel. We keep it real on this channel. Do not recommend staying there. Look elsewhere. And yeah, that was my experience with the hotel. But I do hope you enjoyed this video. I will be coming back with another part to my Guam adventure. I really didn't do much because, like I said, I couldn't book a lot of things solo. So sorry y'all, it's another truck pulling up. But I couldn't book I couldn't book anything solo except for the Dune buggy. So I basically just chilled and like went to a bunch of secluded beaches. So I'll put that in the next video and let you know what all beaches I went to. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time.